Now we get question 3. The following wave pattern is produced by a transverse wave that takes 4 seconds to complete one vibration. So one vibration takes 4 seconds. Yeah, alright, so now this is one wave, second wave, third wave, so 3,5 waves. We have 3,5 waves left, or 3,5 cycles. Okay. Define the term transverse wave 3.1. Remember, we have 2 types of waves. We have transverse waves and we have longitudinal waves. And the only difference is how the particles vibrate in relation to the direction of motion of the wave. So, uma wave iqhamuka izongena kwi-medium, mayingena kuleyo medium, the particles of the medium will move perpendicular to the direction of motion of the wave. That is a transverse wave. So, Oma, you still haven't understood the definition in transverse wave, you can go back to a video on March 2018 paper 1 physics. Akhona ama video lessons whereby we explain this into even more detail. With the transverse wave with the more relatable examples. So, define the term transverse wave. So, it is a wave where the particles of the medium, the wave where the particles of the medium move perpendicular. They move perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the wave. So, a transverse wave is a wave whereby the particles of the medium move perpendicular to the direction of motion of the wave, or the direction of propagation of the wave. So this is how you get the full 2 marks by defining wave enjani kanti transverse wave. Asambe say 3.2. Alright, now umbuzo determine the frequency of the wave. Yini frequency? Frequency, it is the number of waves or pulses passing through a fixed point per second. Ngokhohla ujwayele ukudefine lokuthi mangaka ama wave or ama pulses azodlula ipoint elithize ngesecond elilodwa. I-frequency yakho leyo. And the frequency is inversely proportional to a period. Yabo? Yona formula. F is equal to 1 over t. But remember, what is your t? 4 seconds. But it takes 4 seconds to complete one vibration, which means for one wavelength it is 4 seconds. So that's the period. So F is equal to 1 all over 4. So now F is equal to 0,25 seconds. 1 over 4, but it's easy to convert to a decimal. Are we doing it in the calculator? 0,25 seconds. So 3 marks in jello just for formula substitution final answer. So it's only 3 marks up. So why are we taking the 4? The 4 pelelo awona ilama wave wonke cha. Iyo D wave you 4 seconds. Which is why it starts a period. Because remember, a period, it is the time taken for 2 consecutive crests to pass a point. I mean, it is less, and those 2 consecutive crests make up in a wavelength the length of one wave. Which means, what are we talking about? The time for one wave. The time it takes to see one wave to pass through a certain point. That is your period. But it takes 4 seconds for one complete vibration. One complete cycle of 4 seconds, or we wanted some substitutes instead of T. I say 3.3. Alright. If the speed of the wave is 0.05 meters per second, mass meaning speed. Calculate the value of x in millimeters. 5 marks. Don't panic, relax. The value of x, asiqale sithole in. Ukuthi x wenza ama-waves amangaka, ama-cycles amangaka. Siyazi wonke. Ake ngikuphinde ngichazele lento. Ku-March 2018 paper 1 physics grade 10 ngiye ngakuchazela into kanje ukuthi iyodwa i-rise is 25%. So ifike ize kanje, angazi. Ize kanje. Phinde yehle la. Esiyanyuka la. Yabo? So there is one wave. Le yonke nje, angazi i-wave eyodwa le. Angazi akhumbona? I-rise iyodwa. U25% lo, u25%, omunye u25%, omunye u25%. Yabo? Iyodwa nje ngisho ibhenga ngephi u25%. So kuleyo wenza uX bangaki labo 25%, ayisidwebe le ukuthi ime kanjani. Ukuze sizokwazi phela ukubona ukuthi i-switch multiply ngoba ama waves amangaki. Qala sinale ehlayo nale nyukayo. Angithi? Which means sinale ehlayo, sibe nale nyukayo. Sibe nalezo nyuka la, sibe nalezo kwehla. Sibe 1 2 3 4 5 6. So says no 5 6. So say about 6 ke manje. Okusho ukuthi u25% lo, nalo 25% ungakhohlwa. Nalo 25%, nalo 25% of one wave, nalo 25%, nalo 25%. So bangaki ke labo 25% ababodwa. 25 no 25 for 50%, 75%, 100%, so 1. 100%, 125, 150. 150% is 1.5. So egcineni kusume simultiply ngo-1.5 ilokhu njana yethu. The value of one wavelength has to be multiplied by 1.5 because of lento esithola la esesidwebile kephi eceleni. Asihambeni ke manje sesiqala using the wave equation. So V is equals to F lambda. Ungakhohlwa lo. What is our V? 0.05. Basinikeni. What is our F? Our F is our frequency. Ungakhohlwa lo. Our F is our frequency. So i-frequency ethu sisebenzisa ibobani. Batheni it takes 4 seconds to complete one vibration. Bese sitholile lo frequency. Angithi sithe F is equal to 1 all over T. Angithi sathi 1 all over 4 sathola u-0.25. So kukhona u-0.25 la and then la kukhona u-lambda. So divide ngo 0.25 on both sides. Bakhanselane laba, so our wavelength is equal to thatha i-calculator yakho uthi 0.05 divided by 0.25 sithola u-0.2 meters, but batheni bona in millimeters angithi. So 0.2 meters sometimes ngobani ngo-100 ukuze sithole bani bathe to millimeters sometimes ngo-1000 uzosinikeza u-200 millimeters. So iyona answer ekumele siyithambize ngo-1.5. So now X is equals to 200 multiplied by 1.5. So our X is equals to, so uthatha lo 200 wakho umultiply ngo-1.5 sithola bani u-300. So our answer is 300 millimeters or 0.3 meters. Now your final answer is for 5 marks. Iyona ke lokho ozokwenza. So which means kuzomela ukwazi uku-analyze i-wave ala before you even start calculating. Senze manje question 3.4. Alright, so la kuthiwani how long in seconds does it take for a particle to move from point A to point B? So ukuze isuke la ila one mark olula nje la i-answer la kwi-diagram. So ukhumbula i-wave iyodwa iwu-4 seconds. So khumbula khona ama-wave amangaki awu-3,5 yabo. So omunye umuntu angasho ukuthi so lesikhathi abasifunayo asithi uthini omncane sothi u-3,5 multiplied by 4. So to calculate 3,5 multiplied by 4 sithola bani 14 seconds yabo. Omunye angenza njani buka angasho ukuthi iyodwa ngithi u4 so 4 agcine la athi 8 ezila athi 12 yabo. Sekusele u-half ka4 manje which is u2 lo 12 plus lo 2 bese uyakunikeza lo 14. So u1 mark obviously bebekupha nje la i-answer ibila straight ukubala nje ngo4 yabo and then bese uplus u2 igcineni kuyi-answer elula. Or omunye bezoyenza ngale ndlela ye-maths understand ukuthi there are 3,5 cycles or there are 3,5 waves or there are 3,5 vibrations and each vibration takes 4 seconds. So 3,5 multiplied by 4 uyasinikeza lo 14 seconds. So lo mbuzo ugcina under question 3 sesiyobonana ku question 4.